Get ready for UK Metals Expo of 2024. On the 11th and 12th of September, the NEC in Birmingham will transform into the ultimate hub for the metals industry. With over 300 exhibitors, 50 seminars and more than 100 industry leaders sharing their insights across 4 dedicated theatres, now is the time to prepare your day and register online for your free pass to secure fast-track entry and receive your show guide. You're going to discover the latest advancements in CNC machinery, automation solutions, precision engineering and metal forming. And don't miss the sessions featuring hands-on demonstrations and expert panels addressing the future of CNC. Or you can make the most of your day and arrange meetings with colleagues and clients in the central networking area, co-sponsored by Tata and British Steel, or head to the Café de Arts, a dedicated speaker corner where you can then continue conversations from the seminars that you've attended. Plus, you can experience the thrill of motorsport with a racing car from United Autosports, the 2024 Le Mans winner. The commercial director will deliver a must-see keynote on day one, an unmissable moment for any motorsport enthusiast. Now, with so much to see and do, you won't want to miss a moment of UK Metals Expo 2024. For the full programme and to explore the list of exhibitors, make sure you head to the website. Do not miss out on the biggest event in metals industry, the UK Metals Expo 2024, where innovation meets opportunity.